those have been super glued.
Ready for work. Let's build something. Get your hard hat. Back it up.
I don't know why it sounds like that. It's sounded like that ever since I put the tracks back on. Now I realize I made the ultimate screw up in the last actual review. I didn't push this lever. So I just have to take my word on it that it wasn't working, but if you remember, it was disconnected. The bucket wasn't on right. So hope you guys saw that. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and peace out.